This segment of Showcase is brought to you by the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology, and we are going to find out what happens when you get needles jabbed in your face. It's going to be fine. Also, it might be a little graphic. Melissa, tell us what we're doing today.
We are about to do a SkinPen treatment, which is microneedling. So we are stimulating collagen and elastin response so that we get glowy, beautiful skin, and we work on some textural concerns.
So we started off, my face was numbed for 30 minutes. I can't feel that, so that means the numbing worked, right?
Yep.
And why is it that people enjoy doing this? Because most people are not like, yeah, let's get needles in our face.
I think people seek out this treatment because they are looking for some improvement in textural concerns, fine lines and wrinkles, acne, scarring, just generally a more youthful complexion. We also needle in at the end a radiance serum so that can help with pigmentation concerns. It's also safe for all skin types to receive this treatment, so it's really skin inclusive. That covers a lot of range of people and different concerns.
Yeah, I think almost everyone at this point, like you have to say, has skin damage of some kind, right?
Most people have some concerns, and we have a lot of tools in our toolbox we can address them with.
All right, so let's talk about this procedure. How long does it typically take when someone gets it done?
Usually it takes me about 30 minutes to perform the entire treatment, not including the numbing time. So you'll numb for at least 30 minutes when you come, and then the actual treatment is pretty quick.
So here at the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology, you guys have a range of different services. Some you could get on your lunch break, go right back to work, no one can tell. What about this one? What is recovery like?
So you're going to leave here looking pretty red and inflamed, and that is ideal because we want to stimulate that response, that inflammation response, which will send your body into a wound response mode, which will then force it to start producing more collagen and elastin. So you're going to leave here looking pretty red. Definitely people would notice after you left here that you had something done.
Okay, so this is not like a right before the wedding, right before a date kind of thing.
This would be like, we never do anything before a life event like a month ahead of time. So a month before our wedding would be fine.
And who is the ideal candidate?
Honestly, anybody is an ideal candidate for this. We kind of keep an eye on things like pregnancy, breastfeeding, cancer diagnoses, or if they're on blood thinners or anything like that. Those we would have to take extreme caution with, or they might be contraindicated.
Why is stimulating collagen so important in the way that our skin looks and feels?
Once we hit about 35, we stop producing collagen on our own, and so we have to kind of trick our bodies into producing that collagen and elastin by doing things like ingesting collagen or applying topical products like growth factors or creating a wound response with lasers or needles.
We talked about this a little bit before we started doing the procedure, that taking care of your skin it's a process all the time. So when you invest in getting services like this, you also still need to remember to take care of your skin and make sure you're wearing sunscreen too, right?
Absolutely. I think that staying out of the sun is the number one thing I would tell my patients if you want to have anti-aging and protective qualities. Really protect your investment, stay out of the sun, wear a really high quality sunscreen, and make sure you're reapplying every 2 hours or more frequently if you're in the water or sweating.
Yeah, I think it's important to take care of your skin on multiple levels, the health reasons and of course the physical reasons as well. And here at the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology, you guys do a great job with consultations too. If someone has something about their appearance that they want to fix or be able to make look a little bit different, you guys are always great at sitting down and saying, all right, I would recommend microneedling or diamond glow facial or different things so that people can specifically target exactly what they need. And this segment of Showcase is brought to you by the Aesthetic Center of Richmond Dermatology.